7 में और थोड़ा सा हल्का सा बस। आपका फर्स्ट क्लास है मैम?
नहीं, पहले
हो चुका है।
Good afternoon, students. Now, in last class, I have taught you about the celestial bodies, our universe, galaxies, and stars. Now, today I am going to teach you about the solar system. I think all of you have already aware about the solar system. As we know that the family of the Sun, 8 planets, approximately 173 satellites with many asteroids, comets and meteors make up the solar family. Means the Sun family. Sun with the 8 planets and all the celestial bodies. I have already mentioned about the all celestial bodies like meteors, like the asteroids, comets. All these things make up the solar system or the Sun family. You know the word solar is derived from where? The word solar is derived from a Latin word solaris, which means sun. Solar is a Latin word. Solar is a Latin word which means the sun. The solar system hence means family of the sun. The whole family is known as the Sun family. So, who is the head of the family? As we know that we are calling that father's family, mother's family and everything. And here we are talking about the Sun family. Then the head member of this family is the Sun. Who is the head member of the family? Sun is the head member of this family. So first of all, we have to read about the Sun. The Sun is the center of the solar system. It is the half solar system. Understood? We can make the solar system where we can see the Sun is in the center. When we will make the Milky Way galaxy, then it will be round up and round up. And at the center, it will be the Sun. So Sun is the center of the solar system. All planets and satellites revolve around it. The Sun is the center of the solar system, and other planets and the satellites is revolve around the Sun. These planets are revolved on a certain path, a certain elliptical path. This path is called orbit. You can see in the picture that every planet has their own path, and they are not deriving from each path to other path. They are called, these paths are called the orbits. Understood? It is the source of all energy. As we know that the Sun is the main source of the energy on Earth also. It sustains all life on the Earth. Without the Sun's heat and energy, our Earth would become a cold and lifeless planet. As we know that without the energy of Sun, can we live without the light of the Sun? Can we live without the energy of the Sun? No, it is not possible. Actually, the life which exists on the Earth due to the angle of the Sun of the Earth. We are getting a very moderate temperature from the Sun. That's why the life is sustained here. Understood? Our Earth will become a cold and lifeless planet. If we will not get this energy, the Sun energy, then the life is cold and energy, lifeless of planet. It is about 150 kilometers away from the Earth. You know what is the distance between Sun and Earth? The distance between Sun and Earth is approximately 150 million. 150 million kilometer, that is the exact 149.6 million kilometer. What is the exact distance from the Sun to Earth? The exact distance from the Sun to Earth is 149.6 kilometer or 150 million kilometer. The Sun is made up of hydrogen and helium. This Sun is made up of from what? This Sun is made up from the hydrogen and helium. These are the two gases. Hydrogen and helium. This Sun is made from the hydrogen and helium. The conversion of hydrogen into helium, when the hydrogen is converted into the helium, cause the release of enormous amount of light. When it is converting, the hydrogen is converting into the helium, cause the release of enormous amount. It releases the enormous amount of light and heat energy. Understood? That's why the sun is getting huge amount of energy from where? From the hydrogen and helium. When the hydrogen converts itself from the helium, a huge amount of the energy will be the released. The surface temperature of the sun is 6000 degrees Celsius. What is the surface temperature of the sun? The surface temperature of the sun is 6000 degrees Celsius. And see again, the surface temperature and interior temperature. There are two kinds of the temperature we will get. The surface temperature of the sun. The surface temperature of the sun is 6000 degrees Celsius. And the interior temperature of the sun is 15 million degrees Celsius. 15 million degrees Celsius is the interior temperature of the sun, and the surface temperature of the sun is 6000 degrees Celsius. Understood? Now, the second member of the family is planet. The second member of the family is planet. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. How many planets are there of the solar system? We have 8 planets in the solar system. They can be listed according to their distance from the sun. We can list them according to the distance from the sun. You can see here. The first planet, Mercury. From the sun, the first planet is Mercury. The distance between the sun and Mercury is 57.9 million kilometer. 57.9 million kilometer. Then the second planet is Venus. That is 108 million kilometer. Then the third planet is the Earth. That is the 149.6 kilometer. The fourth planet is Mars. That is the 227.9 million kilometer. Then between the Jupiter and the Mars orbit, we have a belt. It is the belt of asteroid. It is the belt of asteroid. And the distance of the Sun and Jupiter is 778.6 million kilometer. How much distance from the Sun to Jupiter? 778.6 million kilometer. And after that, we have the Saturn, which the distance between the Sun and the Saturn is 14,033.5 billion kilometer. Now it will be the term billion into billions. And the Saturn and the Uranus, it is the 28,072.5 billion kilometer. And Neptune, last planet is the Neptune, that is 449 billion kilometer. Understood, boys? And now the planet move around the sun on fixed path. These planets are move around the sun on fixed path. I have already told the movement of the planet around the sun is called a revolution. The path on which they move are called orbit. Each planet has its own fixed orbit. Which planet revolve around the sun. They also move around on their own axis. Here it is the moving around the sun, and same times they are moving on their axis also. When it is moved around the sun, it is called this movement is called a revolution, and when it is called on its axis, it is called a rotation. So all planet has two kinds of movement. One is revolution and second is the rotation. Planet moves around the sun in anti-clockwise. You know what is the movement of the planet around the sun? The sun is the planet moves anti-clockwise. See, it is the clockwise direction. It is the anti-clockwise direction. So the planet are moved anti-clockwise direction around the sun. They reflect the It is the west to east. These planets are moved in direction of the west to east. Planets have no heat or light. As we know that planets are non-luminous body. Non-luminous body means it has no light, it has not their own light. So planets have no heat and light of their own. They reflect the light of the sun. They are getting the light of the sun and then it reflect by the heat or light of the sun. Okay boys, next when I will come in the next class, then I will explain about the inner planet and the outer planets. Among these 8 planets, which are the inner planets and what are the components made by the inner planet and what are the components made from the outer planets. Thank you.
जिसमें रुक जाते हैं रुकिए ना, जैसे आपका टॉपिक पूरा हो गया ना, तो अगले दिन मतलब वीडियो में फिर आएंगे इस तरह का बोल के
बोले ना,
आप रुक गए थे ना, हमसे पूछ रहे थे, आप बताइएगा उसके बाद
आप बोलते नहीं सर,
हम उस समय बोले कि अब अगले एपिसोड में बताइएगा इसी